Alright, well, we got it up on the ramps. We'll be swapping out the front panel. I already replaced the hood. Car only has 90,000 miles. Thought it was a good investment, especially for the price, $700 for my girl's first car. So we'll be doing this video in parts. We're changing out the front panel, and then we'll be walking you through how to change the radiator in a Ford Taurus. Alright, about to start removing the headlights. We'll go ahead and remove all the bolts holding them down. You will need a screwdriver also to pry the front end off. There will be bolts in front of the tire in the front panel, and you will have to remove the hood latch cable. We'll go ahead and start. Just keep them up. Alright, sitting here, headlights. You'll have two of these push pins. As it's sitting, they'll be here and here. I use a screwdriver, pop them out. I didn't feel like grabbing them like that. You have one 8mm bolt going through here. Loosen up, take it out. Then you can pull the headlight up. There's one connector. It's right here. You push down, disconnects from the main harness. As far as the headlight assembly goes, it just screws in. Alright.
Alright. Now in order to get this little side, this piece here out, you have to go up under here. There's a pin you have to come above. Slide up under it. Lever it.
Pull it out this way.
Yep. Slide out through the side.
Front end coming along. Got the quarter panel on. Radiator in, condensers bolted, splash guard is done. Gotta do this, reinstall the battery and headlights.
And then refill her up with fluids. Got everything nice and shored up. The new front piece put in. Battery put back in. Everything bolted down.
Alright. About to do the headlights. All you gotta do is line it up. One connector here. There is a rubber seal. Twist to unscrew it. Make sure it's lined up properly when you tighten it up. Last thing you want is some water in your headlights to make them go out. Plug it up.
Got it in.
Nice and easy. As soon as I tighten this down, I gotta loosen it up a bit. It's only a screw on this side. You don't want to fully tighten it. Need these to go back a little bit more and run the metal rods.
There you go.
Can't be gentle with her always. There you go. Make the catch. There you go. Tighten it down. And you're all set.
Same thing on the other side.
If you have to change the headlights, this would be the perfect opportunity to do that.